Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part 5 of the Business Credit and Business Bureau series. I'm your host, Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and in today's episode, we are going to be talking about the SBFE, which is the Small Business Financial Exchange. Now, if you are interested in building business credit or learning more about personal credit, credit repair, or even starting a credit repair business, make sure to join the credit community. I've left a link in the description below. You can literally join for less than a cup of coffee a day right now. And guess what? I am leaving this offer exclusively available for my YouTube community in order to get access to the credit community and all of the replays from when we very first started. So again, guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment if you find value in the video. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And give me a huge thumbs up. So let's get into it, guys. The SBFE is very similar to a credit bureau. However, they are what's called an association, and they offer membership. They were established in 2001, and basically what they do is they get data from their members and they share data. Their vendors are the business credit bureaus. That's going to be Experian Business, 𝗥𝗲𝗹 Business, Dun & Bradstreet, and LexisNexis Business. Yes, so they have a business side. They have a ton of data. So basically, the members of the SBFE, and you can go to their website to look at some of their members, but some of their members include Bank of America, American Express. So those type of cards that we don't think report anywhere, like American Express, they're actually going to be reporting your data to the SBFE, and the SBFE is going to be sharing that with all of its members and vendors. That's why sometimes you can see data that kind of gets transferred over to other places that might not be accurate. Now, chances of that American Express going and reporting to, say, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, it's not going to happen. However, if Bank of America comes and looks at your SBFE data, they will see the data from other banks and financial institutions. So that's why it's so important for you to make sure that you are showing that you are credible on paper. And basically all that is you paying your credit obligations on time or early. All of the members from the SBFE all contribute data. So all of this data is shared, and there's nothing that we can do to stop it because we are not, as consumers, we are not able to become members. SBFE only offers their memberships to banks and financial institutions that offer credit as an extension. So we are not even able to get access to the data that's on SBFE. We can't correct it. It is what it is. So that's why it's so important to put that correct and positive data out there so nothing affects you in a negative manner in the future, because technology is growing and growing, and things are only going to be, getting harder and harder with the amount of data that is shared about our trends to be able to pay on time. Most of the members of the SBFE are usually going to be banks, credit unions, leasing company, credit card issuers, and more. If they are a financial institution and or offer any sort of business credit extensions, they can be eligible to become an SBFE member. The SBFE is one of the biggest data companies on the business side that is going to distribute information about loan terms, business lease and history, credit card payments, and your business information overall. You'll even see like your DUNS number on it. So it's always important to make sure that all of your business information with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and 𝗥𝗲𝗹 is all correct. The NAICS codes are updated, your business address is corrected, your website, your phone number, all of that good stuff, because that is going to end up over here at SBFE. And if it's wrong, there's no way for you to correct it until they correct it and it cycles through. Unlike other business credit bureaus, the SBFE does not calculate or provide scores. So that kind of makes them a little bit different. But again, they are not a bureau, a business credit reporting bureau. They are a data company. So the SBFE provides data it collects to a limited set of vendors such as Equifax, Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and LexisNexis, who incorporate that data into the business credit scores they offer to other members of the SBFE. What makes the SBFE different than other business bureaus is they don't have a credit score. So it's just data that is being shared. Their vendors are Experian Business, Equifax Business, the LexisNexis Business, and Dun & Bradstreet. So it's extremely important to make sure that, again, you're putting good information out there so there's nothing negative that could impact you. The SBFE is also going to provide data to their vendors. So that means that the business credit bureaus could potentially use this data to incorporate with the data that they provide to their clients. And again, very important to just do the right thing and make sure that everything is paid on time and there's no negatives, there's no hiccups. If you are looking for business trade lines that do report to SBFE, we offer business trade lines that report to SBFE, which is super powerful if you plan to apply with any of the SBFE members. A few of the SBF members are listed right here on their website, so you can clearly see American Express, Bank of America, PNC, Capital One. So again, all of these financial institutions and banks are members of the SBFE. Truist, WEX, Frost, Wells Fargo. Very, very great banks here, guys. So it's important that you understand the data that you put out there is going to be cycled through. So it's very important that you just do the right thing. Make sure all of your credit obligations are paid on time. And until next time, guys, make sure that you have taken action. If you need more help with credit, whether it's personal or business, I've left the links below in the description for us to connect more or for you to join the credit community. I also just released a new credit score merch.com, so you can purchase your credit score or credit repair merchandise shirts and become a walking billboard for yourself or for your business. I appreciate you so much. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you found most valuable about the video. And until next time, guys, make sure to take action. Let's go.